Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your Ford Escape rear wiper blade. First, gather your tools. A new wiper blade, typically about 11 inches long, and a small flathead screwdriver. Next, ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged. This prevents any accidental movement. Finally, locate the rear wiper arm and blade assembly on the tailgate, ready for the next step. Now let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll see a small tab or clip. Press this release tab firmly, then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new Ford Escape rear wiper blade and align its connector with the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window. Before you finish, perform a quick check. Ensure the new blade is firmly attached and can move freely along the arm. Then, activate your rear wiper with some water on the window to confirm it clears the glass effectively and smoothly. For best visibility and safety, it's a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or when you notice streaking or chattering. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.